Hey everybody, it is Patrick Vogelpohl, and I am working with you today to look at our second essay sheet. So I'm also working with a new video software recording, or video recording software. So this could go bad. We'll never know. Well, we will know. We will know by the end of the video if you're watching this on YouTube, and if I am not in a corner somewhere crying with half a pack of cigarettes and half consumed bottle of gin. So here we go. This essay is intended to be a persuasive essay, 3 to 4 pages. And I would shoot for 4. I think we really need to get closer to 4. Essays 3 is going to be a 5-er. Essay 4 is short, but essay 5, the research paper, that's 7-pager. So we got to start building. So shoot for 4 to 5. The assignment is to write a persuasive essay in response to one of the following prompts. Most millennials are an asset to their communities, or you're going to prove that most millennials are not assets to their communities. Now, millennials, someone who is of traditional college age today, someone who went to elementary school, high school, junior high in the last decade. So I would say the cutoff is probably age 27. Scholars will give you different numbers, but let's say if you're under the age of 27 or under, you're a millennial. You're growing up when 9/11 happened, you're in school when that happens. You've survived the Great Recession somehow, and you're in one piece, hopefully. Grading givens, I need the following. I need you to have an introduction that summarizes advice to a college student who didn't like his first year of college, or Batterall, or should I say Batterall? Clear thesis that reveals what you will prove and how you will do so. Body paragraphs with obvious topic sentences. Clear sentences throughout. We also need a works cited page and a clear respect for MLA format. So you've got your header where it needs to be. You've got your name, the date, the class name, stuff like that, in the appropriate part of the first page. Clear 12-point double-spaced font, 12-point font, double-spaced spacing, stuff like that. Grading rubric, do you offer a clear, accurate summary of the article that will be the basis for the start of your essay? It's your way in, okay? Once you get into the essay, you can refer back to it more often than not. Does your thesis reveal what you will prove and how you will do so? 5 points. So you're not just telling me that this is true, or you're not just telling me that this is true, but you're going to preview your arguments. In fact, if you want to basically paraphrase your topic sentences after you agree to one of these statements in your thesis, that's fine. So, are your body paragraphs, topic sentences supported by clear explanations and examples? Do your arguments make sense? It's a fifth of the paper right there. So, that your body paragraphs are clearly supporting a topic sentence with explanation examples that make sense is a fifth of your grade right there. Do you quote or paraphrase the reading question at least twice, but no more than 3 times? So we don't want to go overboard with the quotes, but we want it to happen. And do you quote another class reading on your topic? So look at the other assignments you need to read by today. It's 5 points. Do you properly introduce and offer your quotes and or paraphrases? Do you explain them when necessary? Do you cite them accurately? Do that, you get 15 points. Is your essay rooted in ethos, pathos, and logos? Another 15 points. So you're actively trying to engage with the reader by appealing to their sense of right and wrong, or their respect for authority. Maybe you're going to try to tug on their heartstrings, or maybe you're just going to appeal to our sense of logic in some spots. But you want to try to mix it up. You also need a conclusion that answers the question, so what, a works cited page that's excellent, and excellent sentences. So that's what we're looking at, okay? In terms of difficulty, you're not going to get a lot of points for having a stellar thesis anymore. You just have to start doing it. And it can be, 2 to 4 sentences for all I care. You're not going to get a ton of points for a conclusion that answers the question, so what? You just have to do it. It's going to be a given from here on in, basically. And look at where we're also gobbling up other points for this one. Do you quote or paraphrase the reading in question at least twice, but no more than 3 points? Well, that's 5. Do you quote another class reading related to your topic? That's 5. So just offering the quotes is 10 points. Do you do it correctly? Do you explain them when necessary? Do you cite them accurately? Well, that's a 15. So we're at 25 points based on quoting and quote management. And then, is your works cited page excellent? Also related to MLA. 35 points. So over a third of the paper is based on how you manage outside sources. So with that in mind, I think I would be remiss in not stating, as is the case for all of your essays, I don't care so much about what you think. I care about how you think. You could give me an essay that tries to prove that the moon is made of feta cheese and sangria. And if you try to prove your point correctly, that's what I care about. All right? So think about also which passage you can knock out of the park. If you think it's easier for you to prove this, then do it. If you think it's easier for you to prove this, then do it. Okay? So that's all we have for now. And if you have questions, email me. And I look forward to hearing from you. Good luck, guys.